Hello everyone! So today ay may celebrate tayo sa second year anniversary ng Clinica Palma at ng One Health Diagnostic Laboratory. So we have lots of activities for today. Meron tayong Zumba, massage, chair yoga, at marami pang iba. So today is the celebration of wellness in our community. Hashtag, ituloy mo na yan, healthy together, stronger together. Yan ang alagang Clinica Palma. So yan guys, at magsimula na yung ating Zumba ng Clinica Palma as we celebrate the second year anniversary. So maraming mga mag-a-attend ngayon. So this is the second year na kanilang Zumba dance.
Kung gusto niya, titi sa event ka. So uwi na po kita. Nagbabalik po kita.
yun guys, kakatapos lang aming Zumba and this time nakakaroon tayo ng raffle. So meron mga prizes, sobrang daming prizes. Meron nga free laboratory and check-up. And this afternoon ay pupunta tayo sa Burabot, Calabanga kasi nandun yung continuation ng ating activity for today. So part pa rin siya ng second year anniversary ng Clinica Palma and One Health Diagnostic Laboratory. So let's go! Hello, good afternoon guys. So we are here now at Burabot, Calabanga, Camarines Sur kasi dito mangyayari yung second part or second activity ng Clinica Palma. Kung kaninang umaga ay nagkaroon tayo ng Zumba dance. So this afternoon ay magkaroon naman tayo ng chair yoga tapos yung massage and pwede tayo mag-access ng pool dito yan sa Tukad Farm.
Kapag primerong andaw ba sana sabihin ka na Lola, 67 pa lang. 67, o bakit kita 68?
Hello guys, so habang nakakaroon sila ng moment sa massage, so dito muna tayo sa isang napakatahimik na lugar, mapresko, at ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam na ang layo natin sa ingay doon sa sentro. So nasa paligid natin mga punong kahoy, kanyugan, nasa likod natin yung Magdisarog. Pag ginagawan ng
Kanina nga
kakain.
ni, kadun sa Zumba, halfal nun.
Dok siya pa. Paana. Wait. Alat man ka dami ko sa isa.
Yung guys, at magsisimula na yung aming yoga, yung chair yoga. Kaya may bibit akong upuan. So kakaiba siya kasi ngayon ko lang ma-experience yung pag-yoga na may chair.
Your hands up. Both hands up together. Interlace your hand. Turn it upside down. Your arms. Try to press your arms to your ears. Hold here in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slow back to back. Bend your left hand. Up. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Twist to your left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your left hand down. Grab your back. Bend your right hand at the back. Keep reaching. Hold in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring your right elbow on your right knee. Left hand up. Yes, this is your side angle. Very good. Hold in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right hand above your right ear. Keep reaching to your side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Press back to warrior 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Step your legs. Open it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Hashtag, ituloy mo na yan! Healthier together, stronger together! Budol fight na! Yuhuu! Yeah! Kainan na! Here's our budol fight! Makaganda ng gabi.
Grabe. O, ayun na ka